I've been using Keycloak and AWS Cognito. These are two popular identity management tools. Let's break them down and see which one's best for what. First up, Keycloak. It's an open source identity and access management solution. You can host it yourself on-prem or in the cloud. Keycloak shines with its flexibility, offering single sign-on, social logins, and support for protocols like OpenID Connect and SAML. It's highly customizable, perfect for complex apps, and free, though you'll need to manage setup and maintenance. Next up, we have AWS Cognito, a fully managed service from Amazon. It's built for quick setup, integrating seamlessly with AWS tools like API Gateway or S3. Cognito handles user sign-up, sign-in, and supports social logins, multi-factor authentication, and passwordless options. It's pay-as-you-go with a free tier for smaller projects, but customization can be limited. So, how do they stack up? Keycloak is your go-to for flexibility and control. It's ideal for multi-tenant apps or when you need deep customization, like for SaaS platforms, like for software as a service platforms. But it requires more setup effort. Cognito is better for speed and simplicity, especially if you're already in the AWS ecosystem. It's great for mobile or web apps needing fast deployment, but it's less flexible and can get pricey as you scale. Check out this comparison chart to see it at a glance. If you're after cost-effective customization, Keycloak's your pick. For rapid AWS integration, go with Cognito. Thanks for watching, guys. Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.